Good afternoon, guys. It's at 2:45 p.m. Today is March 21st, Tuesday, 2023. I'm recording the video early because I don't have to wait till end of day now. Where price is going, where it's going to stop probably. So we'll cover it while it's running. So price is range bound from last 8 days between this 38.70 and 239.98 with 1 to 10 as overnight border, right? So this was RTH high. Overnight it ran up to this. Okay, so today above 98 or glow back slow, stick with buyers, right? So above 98 or this area, glow back slow, which was 85, 86, stay long. That was the idea. I want to see buyers defending 98, break below 98, first warning, break below 84, second warning, and then ping pong. Key levels, entry, exit area, profit taking, everything is either this, right? Only these areas. So in Discord I put a note there that only get involved with this level 924, only this. Okay, nothing else. I said forget all the levels, stick with these areas to do your business, and then you do not, and this is the range also I gave, so the lowest is what, 69, highest is 54. So I say you do not want to see price going out of this range before FOMC tomorrow, so 698, 718 dream numbers, very important. So today I said for NQ, dream numbers and hunting levels both are important. Okay, so now you know the story. Only key levels, right? So which is 18, 23, and then I was also online, while price was moving this way, 32, and then what was the next level? This one, 4,375, right? And this is intraday live level. I gave it to draw it in the morning, and then again 18, 375, 98, 93. Price didn't go there, so I'm not drawing it. 32, which is this, 23, which is this, 27 is a intraday level I gave, 18, right? Now you look the magic. So NQ I said dream number, dotted lines are dream number, and hunting levels is blue line. Okay, so and then I said once of the open, when price went higher, I said 782 is important, 748 is important, because when we were talking in Discord, price was here, right? So I was talking about this as more important. Then when price went through it, like this, I said this and this both are important. Okay, so this is the trade. Right now it's what, 3 o'clock, 2:49. This is the trade I took it, right at this 809, right here at 239. At the time ES was at 18. See, levels, only levels. This will work. Look at this clean move. See that? See the morning, right of the open, idea was to go long, right? But the problem is, can you go aggressively long here? So I said no, wait, but I said mark down 27. I said just draw a line there and watch. Then price came down, right? So here I said 1875, I said it's a good long, even right here, before even it came down, I said 1875 is a good area. But I said NQ I want NQ to also pull back to this 748 at the same time. When NQ came down, see here, it didn't come exactly through this area, so that's why I did not go long in ES right here, so I missed it, right? Then price went higher, so then I said, what, price just left us and now there is no point taking breakouts. I said breakouts are very risky in NQ, you know, so don't do it. That is what I said in Discord at that time. So but here in 27, right here, right, but at this time here I took one long in NQ, you know, 782 to 792, because when price went above this Globex high, it came down, right? So at that time, this 82, it's a pullback long back to 92 at least, high probability trade, but ES was not ready, so I only took that 10 point in NQ. Then I waited, you know, then I said draw line here at 27, right? So price here came down, and then here it went through 27, so I was observing 27, 32, you know, that was our next level, right, to do a business. So I said I would short 32 if NQ goes to 853, but NQ did not go to 852, 853 here, so I did not take a short, but I made a note that yes, price got a rejection here. Then price sliced through 27, you know, and then pop back up there all one more time right here, you know, close to it, right? So right here when it was going down, you know, I took a short, because now I realize, okay, fine, yes, NQ did not go there, but ES got rejection strongly, right? Like right here, like this, see that? Touched here, like this. So I saw this coming down below 27, I shorted right here, you know, and then I also took a short in NQ also at the same time, right? And then all I wanted to see is what? Price going below 18, this was the key area, right? So it did here, right? Then it pulled back close to 27, right? Then it came down. So this is where I took a short, right? So you can see it in NQ also, right? Then the next level, then my target was 4004, which is the next level, right? 375. But you know, 14 was another level that was from the overnight, you know. Why 14? Because you can see here, see that this is 14. It's a visible level, right? But it was not my level though. But you know, intraday, you know, the wave price was going higher, this some buyers are there lurking around, right? So it may provide a reaction. So, and since NQ was holding, you know, pretty much well, NQ dream number was most likely target, you know, but then, you know, day was so choppy. So I built out one contract here, another one here later, you know, and then NQ I built out it here, you know, then NQ flushed down to dream number. See here I said, you know, dream number is a long setup. So here when NQ came down to 721, you know, I couldn't even wait. I just pressed the button. And ES also, I did the same thing, press the button, you know, because ES was holding this 910 area. At that time NQ made a new low, you know, at 1054 or so, while ES did not made a new low at that time. Then it made it later, you know. Anyway, so I went long both of them, and I built out right here, you know, this highs right here in both of them together. Again same area, 748. Then price went higher. Now some buyers were there, so when it pulled back to the same level, I went long, reactionary long from here to here. That's it, you know. And then I didn't do anything. And then I waited. Then again price came down. Again dream number held. See here, a failed breakdown right there, mini low. See that? And again bounce back up, back above 748, right? See at this time, now it wants to go higher up, you know. Same thing in ES also. So ES, so right here, you know, around what, 1222, which is ES was right around here, you know, 910 area again, right? So I went long here, you know, and then I built out here, right? And this is the last trade I took it right here, you know. Now during lunchtime, this is a sim trading. Before that, this was a live trading. This was a sim trading. All this is sims, you know. So after 12, because my live trading was over, you know, So this is all same trading, right? So and this is also I took it, you know, in sim and live together, you know. So but anyway, hold on. So I'm not joking though, okay? I'm just showing you these are the trades, right? So all these trades, both whatever I'm showing it here like this, all these trades are right here. Oops. Right, so you can pause the video, note down all these levels, and you can check all these trades. This is what, 4009, this was the last trade around 12, right? And this, that's where I took a screenshot, and now, you know, I took this one. So all these trades you can see it pretty much, you know, all of them are profitable today, none of them are losers. Now NQ, I know it wanted to go to 853. See, that was my target in the morning for any longs I took, right? 853 was my target, but just because of this ping pong I couldn't hold it. But this was my target, you know. If this level was reached early in the morning, right, I had avoided taking any longs during the day. Only because this was unfinished business, I started taking longs after that, you know. ES already achieved these things, NQ did not. So now what will happen, NQ will get here, ES will get here. At that time people will think that ES wants to now make a new high for the day. Possibility is there, but I rather short both of them together if I see something, instead of going long, you know, about this. So now I'm giving you this ahead of the time, right? It's 3 o'clock right now, 2:57. So that is what my thought process is right now, you know, that I want ES to go here, NQ to come here or here somewhere, and then I want both of them to come down, you know, at least somewhere in the middle of the range. You know, I don't want to see a breakout. If it, let's say worst case scenario, if breakout happens, ES will go to 41 and NQ will go to 879. You know? But this looks for a weakness here. If there is a weakness, it could be a good short setup. But now the day you can see, you know, buyers are holding it well, right? Momentum is to the upside, AD is still holding well, right? So shorts are risky, but you will get a reaction, nice one, you know. I'm actually expecting a reaction, you know, but we'll see how it goes, you know. And that be all for today. Actually we can watch it right now, right? Since it's already there, we can see it here live. See what happens. So I'm going to only keep the video on for another 2 minutes, okay? If it touches there, all I want is like small touch there, you know, like here, and then we'll see how it goes. So to me it's already there now, right? 848, it's already made 849, right? So 853 is close enough, right? But I need a reaction actually. I need tries to touch it there, you know, like go inside, then come back down. Yes, I want it here, close enough, you know. So but you can see is 27 is the resistance, right? So now watch here what happens. One more poke, then come down. That is what I want to see, you know. Come down means you're not like looking for a moon here or earth, right? But there will be a reaction because that was a pending unfinished business, you know. So and that is my backup sellers area actually. See that, this area? So that is why. Yes, you can see this backup sellers area, right? Now see, so first time ahead of it, it provided reaction. Now I know people will buy it here. See, in this area, people will buy it. right here. You can see it actually, see. So here some buying came. Okay, now watch. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, now again I started the video, right? So remember I said we want to see a reaction here, right? See, 853 was the level, price went to 52.75, right? By one tick, correct? Now you can see ES also, right? So now watch here how far it can go down, right? See, here we know some buyers bought it, right? So ideally the reaction should be, you want price to go through this buyers, right? Trap them and go somewhere around in this area. Right, that is what I want to see, you know. And then ES probably into 23 area, say the line to line, right, level to level. So right now you can see it went above 27, it is holding 27 as a support, right? So from here it can either go here or here, but if you cannot go here above this, then you want ES to come down to here, right? So from here to here, here to here, right? So now let's watch. I'm going to pause the video again. So okay, so now you can see 32, right? Look at this high, 32, 853. Remember few minutes ago while recording the video I said when price was here, I said when they come together, right, it's a good shorting opportunity, right? Now in real time you can see NQ went above it, 853, correct? Because it was so strong, right? ES couldn't go above a lot, correct? Now you are saying, oh man, but where is the shorting opportunity, right? See, you have to anticipate it before it happens, and when it happens, you have to be quick enough, right, to push the button and then manage it accordingly, right? So I'll show you in a while, but just for now just watch. Okay, I'm going to pause it again. So now we are watching, right? So watch what happens next. Can price comes down here in this area, right? ES comes down here or even here or even lower, right? That's just the whole idea. Now can I trade this, right? Even this seems, right? So real trade didn't come yet unless you know how to short it earlier, right, to jumpstart. And then real short will come below this ideally, right? So see this, $853, correct? So while people are looking at short at 853 or going long here, see these circles, people are taking longs here right now, right? So I am expecting that that they will get trapped. Yes, price can actually, people will buy it here, it may go here, correct? But so look where I took a short. See, right at the pop up right here, right? Because I know what I'm looking for. I don't have to wait for a setup, right? So below this, and then see, ideally in the morning I will watch this and look at this now. See, first contract got filled, right? So ideally in the morning I will watch for price to pierce through it, go higher, come back, and then break below this, and then I will short, correct? But now since it's late in the day and I know price is not going to go anywhere drastically today, this was the combination of resistances I was looking for in the morning, right? So, and it happened later in the day. Now ES, right? Where is the short in ES then? There you go. See, live trading, right? So I just took the short at the first touch, and now look, I'm already in a profitable situation. Even though if I cut it, I'm profitable. Do I have to wait that hey it should reach here or here? No, I don't have to wait, right? So that's how I was, I'm okay. But now anyway, so but I wanted to show you, that's how I trade it, but it's a late in the day. I really don't, anything can happen, price can flush down right here, then immediately pop back up, because right now it's all algorithm is running after 3 o'clock, so they can just stop you out and go up and down, right? But if this setup, let's say if it had occurred right here, that would have been a very good short in both of them together, but now since it's at the late in the day, right, I have to make sure that I get a good location. So if I wait for price to short, let's say right here, right now, to me it's a poor location towards the end of the day, because now price already moved here. So what if it goes one more time here, I'm in a losing position. So that's why I took the short higher. So on the way down, at least 853, if it comes back down to 853, I have almost like 8 to 10 points in profit already. Instead of shorting it here, that's why I took a short here. ES, same thing. I shorted earlier above these levels. So at least if it comes back to lower, instead of shorting it here towards the end of the day, which is risky, right? Considering the buyers are inactive, super active, right? I had a jump start. See my point? So that's the whole idea, So I just wanted to show it to you, and that be all for today.